Hey guys, welcome to Buy Best Price, and today I have come with another video. So I'll be talking about Samsung's new refrigerator, which has a 415 liter capacity. So if you are planning to buy a new refrigerator in this summer, so this will be a good model for you. And today I will be talking about its feature, storage capacity, pricing, and many more things. So don't skip the video and see it till the end. I will tell you why this model has been very popular in 2021. It looks very beautiful from the outside. I'm sure you're gonna love this fridge. As it is a handle model, so company is providing a very styling and stunning handle for this. If you are a family of 5 member or more, so it will be a perfect model for you. In this model, you will also get a touch panel by which you can set your fridge from the outside. Now I want to show you the touch panel, and here you can just set your fridge from the outside. There are some more settings available in this model. As it is a convertible model, so you can also convert it. And let's see what Samsung is providing in the freezer zone. So two shelves on the door and good amount of capacity in the freezer section you will get. Now let's go to the fridge section, what Samsung is providing in the fridge section. So as you can see here, there are two cells in the fridge, and another is a chiller box on the very top, and the door side you can see a shelf on the top, and there are some pocket shelves also available in the door. So it's look cool. Overall it looks very beautiful, and here is a multi storage box by which you can put medicines or cosmetic products. Overall Samsung designed it very beautifully, and it's look very spacious from the inside. And if you go to the down, so you can see there a vegetable box by which you can store large amount of vegetables in the vegetable box. The cells are made with toughened glass, so it is not going to break very easy. I must say it is a good product of Samsung, and everyone should consider it. Now let's talk about its warranty. So overall warranty is 1 year and compressor warranty is 10 year. If you have any questions related to this refrigerator, so you can also comment me on the comment box. I will try to answer you as soon as possible. And if you want to buy this fridge, I will provide you buying link in the description box. You can go there and check the best prices. If you want to see more videos related to home appliances, so subscribe our channel. If you want to get more knowledge about this fridge, you can also check our website www.buybestprice.in. This is all for today. I will come with another video on some latest products. So till then, bye bye. Have a good day.